guys, let's take a look at the 40-ounce mug or tumbler, whatever you want to call it. There's several manufacturers of these 40-ounce mugs. This particular one's HIPPO mugs. There's also Pelican, Lucas, STANLEY is one of the biggest, most popular. Definitely one of the hottest promotional items this summer, and I would assume going into the holiday season. So we've got 3 of these machines being built. Our F1-DC with dedicated tooling for mugs. So you'll see in the back there's the gear and the rack that drives the part and registers off the handle. So this clicks in here, press the foot pedal down here, and there's a print. Nice, solid, clean, opaque image, obviously, that you get in screen printing. This is, again, this is another one here for another company, and also another one in our F1 department where we build all of our F1-DCs. So just to give you guys an idea, you'll get about 500 prints per hour on the F1-DC. Looks good. As far as pricing goes per print, just looking at a few different companies who are printing these, anywhere from $5 down to 50 cents per print, depending on, you know, how many parts per hour, or how many parts per order you're giving. So, you know, even if you're doing 50 cents per print, 500 an hour, that's $250 an hour in printing. Ink cost is minimal, so you don't have to worry much about that. It's just having an operator load, unload, print, let it dry. There's obviously different inks you can use, UV, air dry, and that's really it. So whenever you guys are to place an order for this, all you do is send us your mugs, we make the tooling, and about 3 weeks we ship it out. All right guys, one more quick note on this machine. If you are printing with a standard screen frame, you're only allowed to get so close to the handle. So I'll show you from the bottom what I mean by that. Do a print. The handle's getting close to the screen, so that means when you're starting your image, it's only gonna start at about there. If you're cool with that, that's fine. Obviously, that's not ideal. When you're holding your mug, you want your logo to be either the front or the back. So that's not a problem. You get a special screen frame that we can make for you, or you can get at a screen maker like Miller Screen and Design, for example. They do a great job. But basically what this is doing is it's taking the place of the regular screen, and it's allowing the handle to come up inside of the screen. So now you can get an image that's that much closer to the handle. So just one more thing to note if you want to get into printing on mugs, just because these handles are a little wider than what a typical, say, ceramic mug or something is. So the workaround obviously for that is you get this type of screen with open ends to allow the handle to pass through on the one side and then come around on the other side, and then you can get your image nice and close. So we'll just show one more print here. Looks good. If you want the location again to be on the front and the back side in line with the handle, you can still register off the handle. You're just going to need to get a special screen just like that.